So earlier, my family was watching a hummingbird documentary, and it's all fun and games when you have all these normal looking hummingbirds until you see these. You got one of the sword-billed hummingbird. Next, we got the Lucifer hummingbird. Enough said. Enough said. And finally, we got the drone hummingbirds. They're drones now. Look at the hummingbird outside your house could be a drone, and you would never know. I'm just saying. And I'm sure they're fine birds. But the fact that the long, what's it called? The long beak hummingbird could poke me from a distance scares me. Like you could just be on a walk and then boom, out of nowhere,